heading to Hanoi, our third and last stop in this Vietnam trip.
We just checked in the hotel. The room is really pretty, but we're gonna head out and see if we can attend the water puppet show, which is very popular. Let's go. I'm gonna put the room tour right here too. The tickets for the puppet show is sold out today, so we bought it for tomorrow. We're gonna visit the temple again, which is like right next to it. We're visiting a temple. I don't know what temple, but we're visiting a temple.
You know, we love a good luck.
Do you know what temple it is?
I have no idea.
We try to read it out. Chang.
It's the Dun
I don't know. It's pretty. What do you say? The whole cube.
The whole cube lake.
This is the lake, and we're at the
This is the
same
lake.
hole.
She gave up on her.
Hokkien Lake. I don't know how to say it. Don't judge, please. We're just walking around the old quarter, and it's so much more like vibrant and so many things happening. I think we're gonna find food now for dinner. Hi, guess what we're eating again for dinner?
Only the most fabulous thing in this world.
Pho. We're gonna eat at that one. Apparently it's like Michelin 2023. There's a little queue, but I think it's gonna be like quite fast. So
We're gonna do it.
we're gonna what?
We're gonna do it. We're gonna eat the pho.
Pho
It
all
doesn't
day,
stop. All day, every day.
Nice. So many oranges here. We are back at the hotel. It's currently 8:15. It's really early. We've been like grandmas on this trip. We've been enjoying it to the fullest, so that's okay. I'm gonna shower soon, and then I'm gonna plan for the next 2 days. And then I like to be flexible about it, but I didn't plan much for Hanoi. We booked the water puppet show for tomorrow. It was sold out, so maybe if you plan on coming and seeing that show, try to book it in advance, or like try to go on the first day if you want to book it. It's maybe likely to be sold out, I'm not really sure. And yeah, I'm gonna shower and plan.